and we'll see what the right can do. We will start moving up the line of the ball. It's Mr. Aziz, misses, Mr. What? Misses now in front of another bumper with the ball. Now it's going to be Hussein Manu. Now it's going to be Hayat. I think Hussein was scored off by Hayat. Hayat goes with the ball and gives the pass up and on Manu. Now it's going to be Hussein. Ladies and gentlemen, Hussein compared to leave and goes open for his fumbles and we have QB with the ball. Now it's going to be Hayat. The ball's back with QB now. QB, we're going to see a run, ladies and gentlemen. QB's off on a flyer. It's struck a ball and going towards Burnley. And he's on a marathon, Marlene with a beautiful little left to try to approach shot going towards Burnley, slightly towards the left. And it rolls out of play. And we wish him the best of luck to check this house. And I hope he's quite surprised being the beat of the horse. Goes to Violence back on the field. So it's nothing. By Abdurrahman Manu goes in for the nice looking up to try to pass to the asking for a power. No, it's Saf bumps the ball forward for Hayat. He tries to react to move into the right of the ball. He stabs there, he misses. Saf's becoming missed in the back of the ball. Bumps the ball forward
Looks like total halt. साइकिल बन जाता है कि हाथ मार शीशे से बना चलिए यार मीना नहीं जाने में साथ
नॉन